Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to another video. My hair is finally done, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I just want to knit so badly. But first, we need to block this cardigan, okay? This cardigan has been sitting and waiting. Let me actually put it on now that I have a tank top on to try it on. All right, let's move my chair. Here is the cardigan. It needs to be blocked out like crazy, okay? I need all this to stretch out. I need the body to stretch out more as well. The sleeves for sure. I'm gonna try to get my sleeves to be like here, okay? I know that sounds crazy, but listen, that's why blocking exists, so you can stretch it, manipulate it to your heart's content. This is superwash yarn as well, so it's 100% going to just stretch out naturally after washing, which I'm very excited about. Oh gosh. All right, anyway, so I'm gonna take you along my blocking process per usual, and we're gonna see how I'm going to get the measurements that I want. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, what measurements do I want? I don't know. I'm gonna measure it before blocking and then after blocking and then see how much I was able to get out of this cardigan. So let's get started. I just finished writing out all of the measurements for my cardigan. So currently the sleeves are 40 centimeters long from under the underarm to the cuff. The body length is 54.5 centimeters from after the neckband to the ribbing, and my body width is 59 centimeters, so 118 centimeters circumference, which it doesn't even look like that. So what I want is, I want my sleeves to be around 64 centimeters. So that includes the drop in the shoulder, which I don't know if there will be a lot of drops, so I'll just try to make my sleeves 64 centimeters in general, and then the drop will just give it extra, or a little less than 64 centimeters so that the drop will give it 64. The body length, I want it to be around 69 centimeters. Right now it's 54, and I want it to be 69 total, so it's actually around like 56, 57 centimeters right now, so I want it to be 69. And the body width, I want it to be around 62 centimeters across the back and across the front, which is 124 centimeters total circumference, which will give me like 30 something, 35 plus centimeters of positive ease, which is like 16 inches. Yeah, so that's what I want, and that's what I'm going to try to get when I block my stuff. So let's go wash it. I have my handy dandy bucket and my Eucalyptus wool wash soap, which is in the eucalyptus scent, and it just smells so good. I feel like it like, I just got some on my lip. Oh my god. I feel like it gives it an earthy scent, and I just love it so much. So let's punch this out. Malika's yelling, it's funny. Okay, anyway, here it is. Now, I'm gonna leave this in for like an hour. I'm just gonna fill this up, dump this in. People are like, you should use a color catcher because of the dye and stuff. No, I think because it's a solid color, I'm not gonna worry about that. I wanna see how much dye comes out of this, and you know, I like experimenting. It is in. I'm going to leave it in here for about an hour. Do I have my phone? Yes, okay. So I'm gonna set an alarm for an hour, and I like to leave it in for an hour because I feel like it gives the fibers time to just soak all the way through, and really, I think that's really the key to why my stuff blocks out so nicely and so perfectly. So I'm gonna leave it, and I'll come back in an hour. It is 1:07 p.m. So, goodbye for now. It's time! Well, no. Okay, anyway. Whoa, it's way over the time. It's 2:24:25. I have my 2 towels and I'm gonna drain the water. Firstly, I want to see how the water turned out because I want to see if it's dark or anything, but I'm not gonna show it. I'm just gonna tell you if it is. So I'm gonna clear this counter. Not really gonna clear it, just gonna move some stuff around, you know, so that I can put this down. So I can lay out the towels. Let's start with this one. Let's do this way. I'm excited. Okay guys, I have my cardigan here. I'm going to hold on, let me fix this. I'm going to block it out in just a second, but I had to get my notebook so that I can see what measurements I want so I can block it to those measurements, okay, and pin it down. My pins are here. I have knit blockers by Knitter's Pride. They look like this. So let's do it. Alrighty, I ran out of pins to block this, so I just did what I thought was more important, like this ridge here, the button band. I didn't need too many, I feel like, and then of course the bottoms so I can get the length that I wanted, and then with the sleeves, I don't think I'll get the sleeve width that I really want, but that's fine as long as I have the length. I don't really have the length either. I said I wanted 64 centimeters, but measuring other sweaters, I was like, that's uber long. So I did like 54-ish. I know my Never sweater is like 57 centimeters, so I think this should be fine. I'll measure out some other sweaters and see. But for now, this is how it's gonna be. And then by tomorrow, it should be dry. I was literally supposed to end off this video days ago. Literally days ago. Because I did a whole outfit, I wore it. I wore the cardigan, and I forgot, I filmed everything but the ending of this. And I was like, oh my gosh, you guys didn't see a post blocking. So I took it off the blocking mats, it literally dried the next day. Okay, so this is just days later that I'm showing you. Look at this drape. Okay, look at this drape, look at it from behind. Do you see that? Do you see that flow? Hello? Hello, from the stiffness from before. Oh my god. And then the sleeves, I was able to get the sleeves here. At first I was like, oh my gosh, I blocked it too hard. The sleeves were literally dangling like this. I don't know what happened. I think it just like snapped back a little bit, which, oh my gosh, I'm so glad it did. First of all, I'm just loving my hair today. I braided this and then put in 2 ponytails so that it doesn't put stress here from just putting ponytails straight. So yeah, anyway, but this is the outfit for today because I was like, I need to wear this again. I need to wear this again. It's my everyday cardigan and I'm in love with it. Okay, it's perfect. Oh gosh, look at this. You guys, you need to knit it. Okay, Ava cardigan, petite knit. Anyway, that's all that I have for this video. I am so excited for this. Also, I have another video series coming of the Korshaven sweater, which is so exciting. I need to find buttons for this actually. I haven't found any buttons yet that I like enough, or I don't know, I need to find like a button shop if there's a button shop here. I guess go to a craft store and see what they have. But anyway, I'm just so excited for this and how it turned out. It's so warm without being hot, which is what I love about superwash yarn, especially here in Southern California. I'm able to wear wool without it feeling like I'm overheating or anything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to keep an eye out for my other videos. Of course, the daily videos will not be happening if I'm not working on a project, so you'll get, you know, the typical updates here and there, and you'll get about 2 videos that are not sequential like my daily videos, and then after that you'll get my daily videos within a week. So thank you guys for being here. Remember to share, like, follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I post every single day on those platforms if you want to see more shorter behind the scenes type content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.